guys, today I'm having a few problems with my brows. They're looking a little pale, so I'm just going to do a little at-home tint using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint, just applying that before I do my skincare and makeup. Then I'll follow in with my Dermalist Radiance All Serum. Now this is a 6-in-1 cosmeceutical serum and it helps to target any visible signs of aging. So it helps with fine lines, wrinkles, dehydration, dullness. It just leaves a really youthful, radiant glow to the skin. Coming in now with my Hourglass foundation stick using light beige. I like to spray a little bit of the Mario Badisco facial spray onto my face and a little bit onto my brush and then blend that through with the foundation, and I just find that really gives a really nice natural dewy finish to the skin. Taking my concealer, my NARS concealer in Custard, and just blending under the eyes, slightly down the side of the nose, and a little bit between the brows, and just blending through with my brush. Taking a smaller brush, just blending it into the corner of the eye and just underneath the lashes. Then I like to just blend through with my fingers. It just helps to warm the product and presses it into the skin, leaving a natural finish. Taking my Zoeva palette in Basic Moment, using the bronzer, which is called Unfinished, and just contouring the cheeks. Taking a little bit around the hairline, just contouring around the hair and under the jaw. And using the pink blush, it's called Yet to Come, from the same palette, and just applying to the apples of the cheeks. I then like to take my foundation brush and just blend through to soften any edges. Now I'm going to remove the brow gel tint. Just gently peel that off and it just leaves a really nice tinted brow. So it's so easy, just apply. So you just paint it on and peel it off. Do it yourself brow tint at home. Great for when you can't get out of the house and get to the salon. Using my mascara, which is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, lengthening and separating. And coming in with my lip pencil from MAC, which is in Soar, and following with my MAC lipstick, which is in Pink Nouveau, and finally a spray of the Mario Badisco facial spray with aloe, chamomile and lavender. This really hydrates the skin. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you next time.